What's up guys, I am Zane and today I'm going to show you how to make add yours templates on Instagram. Now first thing you should do is to simply click on this plus sign right here, then choose story from down below right here, and now I have to add whatever photo you want. I'm gonna add this photo here for example, then I'm gonna click on this sticker icon right here. And now you should choose templates. If you do not have this option, templates, you can simply update the application or wait till it's supported on your region. So click on templates right here. Then here, as you can see, you have this thing right here. And what you should do right now is simply start typing. So I'm gonna type start right here. Then I'm gonna click on done right here. Now you should go down, scroll down, and now you can go to photo and add another photo. So I'm gonna add this one for example, and now here as you can see you have this photo on top of the first photo, and the first photo we made it as a background, and now you can simply share it with your followers. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.